How to sign in to GitHub account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign in to your GitHub account. To sign into your GitHub account, first of all, you need to ensure that you have already created an account on GitHub. Now once you have done that, open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, in the search bar, type in github.com. Once you enter this keyword, press the go button to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of GitHub. Here once you reach to this page, at the top right, you will be able to see sign in button. Go ahead and tap on this sign in, and then you will be able to see this sign in interface. Here you will be asked to enter your username or email address and your password associated to your GitHub account. Go ahead and enter your credential in this box. And make sure to enter correct credentials here. In case if you forgot your password of your GitHub account, you may also click on this forgot password option at the top of this password box, and then from there you need to follow the instructions to retrieve or recover your password. Also, if you want to sign in with your passkey, you can tap on the sign in with passkey option at the bottom and use your passkey to sign in to your GitHub account. And if you haven't created an account yet, you'll also get the option to create an account on it by tapping on this create an account link just below the sign in with the passkey option. Now after entering all the credentials correctly, tap on this sign in button at the bottom. Now wait for a while until you are signed in to your account. Once you are signed in to your account, you can tap on your profile to check your profile page. And now you can start creating repositories, contributing to projects and many more. So by following the steps, you should be able to sign in to your GitHub account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.